What's up, guys? Today we're going to be going from this look to this. Now, for those of you that don't know what this is a complete kit from a company called Wraplander. Now, Wraplander did send us this kit for us to install on our Jeep. Now, we all know how hard it is to install wraps on your car or how to wrap up your car. You need to be a professional to do it unless you have the skill to do it. Now, with this, all you simply have to do is just stick those little lines on top of your paint and use a heat gun to make sure it adheres to the paint. It works the same as a wrap, but with small little tiny strips. And it'll give you that cinematic topo map look on your truck. So let me show you how to install this. What you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to clean the surface really well. And I use rubbing alcohol to get all the wax off. That way, everything will adhere to the paint and it will not come off. So just make sure you give it a good wipe with rubbing alcohol. I already prepped the surface before, but just to be sure, I'm going to do it again and give it a quick wipe. Just make sure there's no debris at all on the paint. All right, let's start installing. First thing we're going to do is we're going to peel off a circle from the kit, and I already kind of pre-peeled it so it's easier for me to peel it off. And now we're going to go to the back of the Jeep and start installing it. Let's start with the bottom here. We're going to install this circle, and again, there is no right or wrong way of doing this. If you actually look at a topo map, it's never perfect. So this is how we are planning to install this. So it looks just like a topo map. There you go. We got our first circle. Now let's install another one inside of this one. Just like so. The good thing about this is you can also give it a little stretch so you don't get any creases. Just like that. And now we got another circle. All right, let's start putting some longer lines and see how it comes out. And now we're going to peel the blue accent piece. Now this one's a little longer. Again, like I said before, there's no right or wrong way of doing this. So if you don't like how it looks, you can just simply peel it off, just like that. So we're gonna take this all the way down and then bring it back up. Around the circle. Now this blue one is going to give it a nice accent to our work. And let's bring it down here. There you go. I'm going to have to cut the excess. Just make sure everything sticks. There you go. That's our first line and the first circle. All right guys, so I'm officially done installing the topo kit. I'm super excited how it looks. Now let me show you how it came out. Alright guys, so that's it for the video. If you like this wrap kit from Wraplander, I'm going to put a link in the description of the video so you can go ahead and check their website. This is pretty cool. It's super simple to install. You don't have to be an expert, and it's just going to transform your the look of the vehicle. So if you like the video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and I'll see you guys on the next video.